Ringo here from Ringo Rides. Today we're going to be installing this 2013 Ford E-150 transmission. We're going to be putting it in. So as you can see, we got a rebuilt unit. It doesn't come complete, so we have to add on seals. We're going to have to add on this little housing right here. So we'll be installing this today, putting it in the vehicle. Should be a lot of fun. This unit comes with a 2-year warranty, 80,000 miles. So we'll be putting it in. Stay tuned.
The almighty Long Island Auto. Hey, Ringo, that your ride?